Welcome back. Today we are tackling the single number 2 problem. This is a classic bit manipulation question that often appears in technical interviews. It tests your understanding of binary numbers and space optimization. Here is the problem. You are given an array of integers where every single element appears exactly 3 times, except for one unique number that appears only once. Your task is to find that single number. For example, if the input is 2, 2, 3, 2, the output should be 3. A common first thought is to use a hash map to count frequencies. You iterate through the array, counting how many times each number appears. Then you look for the number with a count of 1. While this is correct and runs in linear time, it requires linear space to store the counts. The challenge demands we solve this with constant extra space. To optimize space, we need to look at the numbers in their binary form. If we write out the binary representation of the numbers, we can spot a pattern. Since most numbers appear 3 times, the bits at any specific position for those numbers will sum up to a multiple of 3. Let's visualize this by summing the bits vertically. Imagine we have 3 numbers that are the same and one that is different. If we sum the bits at each position, the result will be divisible by 3 if the single number has a 0 at that position. If the sum is not divisible by 3, it means the single number contributes a 1 at that specific bit. So here is the algorithm. First, initialize a result variable to 0. Then, iterate through all 32-bit positions. For each position, count how many numbers in the array have that bit set. If the total count is not divisible by 3, it means our unique number has a bit set at that position. We then update our result accordingly. Let's look at the implementation. We have an outer loop running 32 times for each bit. Inside, we iterate over every number in the array to count the set bits at the current position I. If the sum modulo 3 is not 0, we set the ith bit in our result integer. Finally, we return the result. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is technically O of 32n, which simplifies to O of n, or linear time. Crucially, the space complexity is O of 1, or constant space, because we only use a few integer variables regardless of the input size. This is the optimal way to solve single number 2.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.